Next question. A helical spring having stiffness of 90 Newton per centimeter is available. What weight should be hung on it so that it will oscillate with a periodic time of 1 second? Okay. Here the stiffness of helical spring K is equal to 90 Newton per centimeter. And it can be written as 90 into 100 Newton per meter, that is 9000 Newton per meter, and time period Tp is given as 1 seconds. Okay, if Tp is 1 seconds, the frequency F is equal to 1 by time period, that is equal to 1 divided by 1, that is 1 cycles per second. Okay, and frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi into square root of k by m. Okay, if we take the squares on both sides, then it will become f square is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi square into k divided by m. And from this equation, m is equal to k divided by 4 pi square f square. And if we substitute our values, k is equal to 9000 divided by 4 into pi square into frequency f is 1. We will get our mass as 227.97 kilogram. Okay. And in question they asked us the weight. What weight should be hung on it? Okay. So we need the weight, and weight is equal to mass into 9.81, that is 227.97 kilogram into 9.81, that is 2236.39 Newton. Clear?